Meet the Mova P10 Pro Ultra, the robot vacuum and mop built for people who want top-tier cleaning with zero effort. This machine combines power, intelligence, and modern automation, making it one of the best smart home cleaning robots of 2025. At the heart of this robot is a massive 13,000 Pascal suction system, powerful enough to pull dirt, debris, pet hair, and dust buried deep inside carpets and floor gaps. It's one of the strongest suction motors in the entire robot vacuum market. The mop system is where the Mova P10 Pro Ultra truly stands out. It cleans with 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, ensuring your mop pads are disinfected, washed properly, and dried automatically so they never smell or grow bacteria. The robot uses dual-spinning extendable mops that reach into corners and edges while rotating at high speed. This gives it a superior scrubbing motion that outperforms traditional flat-pad robot mops. When it detects carpet, the robot automatically activates its 10.5mm lifting system, raising the mop pads to keep carpets dry. No more wet carpet accidents or manual controls required. The P10 Pro Ultra also includes 360 degrees LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, allowing it to identify toys, cables, chair legs, and other clutter with pinpoint accuracy, even in dark rooms. The docking station handles all the maintenance automatically. It washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them, refills clean water, stores dirty water separately, and empties the dust bin hands-free. Through the Mova app, you can fully customize cleaning routes, room categories, suction levels, mop intensity, no-go zones, and multi-floor maps. You're always in complete control whether you're home or away. Quiet cleaning mode ensures nighttime or early morning cleaning won't disturb your family. Meanwhile, Turbo mode handles deep cleaning sessions with maximum power and precision. If you're searching for a premium smart cleaning solution that saves time, boosts hygiene, and supports truly hands-free living, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra delivers unbeatable value, power, and efficiency.